Humanity's Future, Terrifying Tech Advances. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a world where technology is advancing at lightning speed, and sometimes it feels like we're barely hanging on. From AI replacing jobs to terrifyingly invasive gadgets, the future of humanity might just be stranger than fiction. Sit tight because we're about to explore some tech news that will make you question humanity. AI is now capable of performing tasks that were once considered exclusive to human skill sets. From customer service bots to AI-driven medical diagnoses, the job landscape is shifting dramatically. Could your job be next? Let's take a look at some industries already feeling the impact. From smart home devices to facial recognition cameras, our privacy is constantly under threat. Is the convenience worth the cost? Here are some eye-opening examples of how surveillance technology is becoming more invasive and omnipresent in our daily lives. Imagine a world where machines decide who lives and who dies. It's not science fiction anymore. The ethical implications of autonomous weapons are staggering. What are the risks, and are we ready to handle them? Our smartphones may be making us smarter, but are they also making us more anxious and depressed? Let's explore the dark side of digital addiction and its psychological impact on constant connectivity. Are we sacrificing mental health for the allure of technology? AI is now capable of performing tasks once considered exclusive to human skill sets. These advancements range from routine administrative duties to complex problem solving. The rapid progression of AI technology continues to blur the lines between human and machine capabilities. From customer service bots to AI-driven medical diagnoses, the job landscape is shifting dramatically. AI systems can process information and make decisions faster than humans. This efficiency is causing industries to reevaluate traditional roles, potentially replacing human workers with automated solutions. Could your job be next? Some industries are already feeling the impact. Sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance are integrating AI to streamline operations. As AI continues to evolve, the potential for job displacement becomes a growing concern for many professionals. From smart home devices to facial recognition cameras, our privacy is constantly under threat. These gadgets collect vast amounts of personal data, often without explicit consent. The convenience they offer comes with a significant trade-off: the erosion of individual privacy. Is the convenience worth the cost? Eye-opening examples reveal the extent of surveillance in everyday life. Devices designed to make our lives easier often double as tools for monitoring our behavior. This raises critical questions about the balance between convenience and privacy. The rise of smart home devices and facial recognition cameras has made life more convenient but also more invasive. These gadgets constantly collect data, raising concerns about who has access and how that information is being used. While smart devices offer unprecedented convenience, they also come with privacy risks. The data collected from these gadgets can be exploited, leading to a future where our every move is monitored and analyzed without our explicit consent. Autonomous weapons bring a new set of ethical dilemmas. Machines making life and death decisions blur the line between human control and artificial intelligence. The potential for misuse and errors makes this technological advancement particularly alarming. The psychological toll of constant digital connectivity cannot be ignored. Smartphones and social media may keep us informed, but they also contribute to rising levels of anxiety and depression, making it crucial to find a balance in our digital lives. As technology continues to evolve, the nature of human relationships may change dramatically. Virtual reality and AI companions offer new forms of interaction, but the question remains whether these advancements will enhance or diminish genuine human connection. Our smartphones offer immense convenience and connectivity, but they may also contribute to increased anxiety and depression. The constant barrage of notifications and the pressure to stay connected can take a toll on mental health, leading to digital fatigue. The dark side of digital addiction is often overlooked. People spend hours glued to screens, compromising real-world social interactions. This addiction can disrupt sleep patterns, affect productivity, and even strain personal relationships, creating a cycle that's hard to break. As technology evolves, virtual reality and AI companionship are pushing the boundaries of human interaction. With immersive experiences and intelligent bots, the line between genuine and artificial connections blurs, raising questions about the future of relationships. Experts speculate that human interaction might become less frequent as technology advances. The convenience of virtual relationships could overshadow face-to-face communication, potentially leading to a more isolated society. This shift could redefine how we perceive and value human connections. While technology offers numerous benefits, it poses risks to our social fabric. The ease of virtual interactions may undermine the importance of real-world relationships. Experts urge a balanced approach to ensure technology enhances, rather than replaces, human connections. In today's rapid technological evolution, we've uncovered both marvels and concerns. From AI's disruption of job markets to the ethical quagmires of autonomous weapons, it's clear that our future will be profoundly shaped by these advancements. How we navigate these changes will define our humanity. If this exploration intrigued you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful tech content. Share your thoughts in the comments on the most unsettling technology we discussed. Your engagement fuels our curiosity. Thank you for watching.